nail friends, and welcome back to Easy Nails. So we are going to start by prepping our natural nail. I am going to use a 180 sanding band here, and I am going in forward direction on my e-file, and I am moving from right to left all over the nails, and I am not pressing into the nails at all, you guys. I am going on a super low speed on my e-file, and I am just moving one direction across all of my nails. And remember, you guys, never ever go on a fast speed when you are prepping your nails with your e-file. You can always use a 180 hand file as well to do this step. Here I am cleaning off all that dust with a manicure brush and rubbing alcohol. And then I'm going to go in here with cuticle bit. This is a needle cuticle bit, you guys. It really helps push back that cuticle further and prep our nails for any application. So here with my e-file here on forward, I'm going to do the same thing, you guys. I am moving right to left from the middle of the nail all the way to the right side. Okay, and I'm going to repeat this process throughout all my nails. And I cannot stress enough, you guys, please do not apply any pressure at all when doing this. I'm literally just gliding it across my nail plate, and the drill bit does all the work for me here. And as you guys saw, I switched my e-file into reverse, and I am moving in the opposite direction from the middle of my nail from left to right. And then here I'm using a cuticle cleanup bit. This is basically going to scrape off any extra cuticle that we didn't get with our needle bit. I really like this cuticle bit, you guys. And I'm going to do the same process, moving from the middle of the nail to one direction. And then I'm going to complete that process throughout all the nails. Then I'm going to switch the direction of the e-file, and I'm going to go from the middle of the nail to the other direction of the nail. So I hope that this makes sense, you guys. I am basically doing half the nail in one direction on the e-file, and then the other half of the nail in the other direction. And I find that this is a super sure way to ensure that you have no excess cuticle left on your nail, and this is a super good way to ensure that you're not damaging your natural nail. You guys can see how I'm barely applying any pressure here and how much cuticle comes off of the nail plate. Again, so I just switched the direction of my e-file. You have forward and reverse on your e-file here, and I just switched the direction, and I'm going across the other half of the nail in really light and swift motions, never pressing on my nail. And the e-file here, you guys, is on a super low speed. Again, you guys, this prep can be used for any enhancement you want to add onto the nail, whether it be a regular mani with nail polish, gel polish, acrylic application, gel application, anything you want to apply onto your nail. Perfect cleanup. And you guys can see how really beautiful and healthy those natural nails are looking. So today I am going to show you how to use butterfly foils, and we're going to create a really gorgeous look here. So to adhere these full cover tips, you guys, yep, we're going to use full cover tips today. I am using Model 1's poly gel, and as my slip solution I am using rubbing alcohol. And these full cover tips, you guys, I got from Aliexpress. They are Gel X Après dupe nails. They work flawlessly. I have another video on my channel where I review them. Highly suggest them, you guys. Super affordable. They last, and they are absolutely flawless for me. So I'm going to be using them today. Now, I decided that I didn't really like the application on that one, so I just took off that middle finger. I didn't cure it yet, and I reapplied it. And then I'm going to complete the rest of the nails here. You guys can use poly gel to adhere full cover, gel tips, you can use base gel, you can use glue, really anything that works for you guys. I switch it up. Today I'm using poly gel. and you basically just want to press from the tip of the nail, from the cuticle, towards the tip of the nail, and then you want to keep your finger pressed on that nail until you get into your UV LED lamp. And I like to give that a flash cure of about 15 seconds, and then when I finish with all the nails, I'm going to give it a full cure of 60. Okay, you guys, so all of our nails are cured here, and I'm going to go with Light Elegance gel polish. This color is called A Lot of Gelato. I love Light Elegance's nail polishes. They apply really, really smoothly and really opaque in one coat. So again, I'm applying this white taupe color all over my nails here. And you guys do not need to apply a base coat underneath. You guys can go in directly with your gel polish. Okay, you guys, so after they came out of the lamp, I am applying a top coat on top of those, and I shouldn't have done this on the nails that I wanted to do the transfer foil on, but it ended up not really mattering in the end, so I just applied this. This is aimeili No Wipe top coat all over those nails, and I cured that in for 60 seconds. So now, you guys, we are going to go in with this beautiful chrome color. This is a chrome powder that I got from Aliexpress, and it's one of those Aurora Mermaid pigments. And this pigment has a shimmer of a light blue turquoise color. I absolutely love this pigment. So I tried it out with the sponge applicator here, and usually the sponge applicator seems to work fine with my Aurora pigments or chrome pigments, but I didn't really like how it was applying here, so I went in with my finger, and you guys can see that the application was much, much stronger with my finger, so I decided to go in with my finger, and I absolutely love this Aurora powder or mermaid powder. It turned out absolutely beautifully, you guys. The camera does not do it justice. It has this really pretty opalescent blue finish to it, you guys. I absolutely love the way that this looked, and I can't wait to try it even on darker colors, maybe even a hot pink color. It would be really, really pretty. So I love this powder, you guys. Highly suggest it. And where I got everything, product links and everything will be linked down below for you guys as always. And don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Okay, so here I have this beautiful butterfly transfer foil. I got this from Aliexpress. It has butterflies in all shapes and colors, and it also has some really pretty pink flowers on there. So I love that it's transparent, so you can see where you want to place the butterflies before you actually do it, you guys. So here I'm just seeing where I want it on my nails. And as always, I'm using my Makartt transfer foil glue here that cures in the LED lamp. I find it gives a really even transfer with all transfer foils that I've used so far. The only thing about it, you guys, when you're using it, make sure that you transfer your design onto your nail right when you get that transfer foil gel out of the LED UV lamp. If you let it dry too much on your nails, the transfer won't be as great as you guys saw here. So the second that your nails come out of that lamp, make sure that you transfer the foils onto your nails. So here I'm putting half of a butterfly on one nail and the other half on the other nail. I really like how this turned out. These foils are absolutely beautiful. I really enjoyed using them. And make sure you guys, when you are using transfer foils, that you really rub it onto your nails and really scratch that transfer foil onto your nails before you lift it to ensure that the whole design goes onto your nail nice and smooth. And I thought I would add more, but I really like the way that it looked like that. So here I'm going in again, you guys. Final top coat with the aimeili No White top coat all over those nails, especially when you are using foil transfer. I like to double top coat to ensure that there's no peeling or anything. And you guys, I really enjoyed this nail set. It was super easy and fast, and I love these butterflies and this pearlescent Aurora pigment. I hope you guys enjoyed these white Gel X nails with beautiful butterfly transfer foil and Aurora pigment. Alright you guys, I'm Easy Nails. See you next time.